Who, David?
What'd you say, bub?
Who, David?
Garrett?
Yeah.
You miss him?
Yeah.
I'm sad.
Trying, David.
He's not crying no more, bub.
Happy.
He's happy.
Yeah.
Is that flower for Garrett?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Cheese.
It's pretty, huh? It's for Garrett?
Yeah.
You picked it?
Yeah.
Garrett loved you, okay?
Okay. Feet. This feet.
Say, I'll miss you, Garrett.
David.
He's always be in your heart, okay? Say, always in my heart.
Her.
He's in there, okay?
Her.
Say, I love you.
Two.
Always and forever.
Boobies. Yeah, boobies.
Rest in peace.